Hi, I'm Melina and welcome to Expert Village. In this next step, we're going to measure and draw our triangles that we're going to put inside of the leg space. So you're going to take your ruler, you're going to start at the bottom hem, and you're going to measure all the way up to the crotch area. And I see that from hem to crotch, we have 16.5 inches. So when I make my triangle, I'm going to cut it 17.5 inches. I want a half an inch above and half an inch below, which is right here. And I'm going to mark off that line. And then I'm going to decide how wide do I want to make the triangle that I'm putting in. And I think I want to make it pretty wide. I want the skirt to flare out a lot. So I'm going to try to find the middle of this line, and it looks like it's about 14 inches. So I'm going to start about right there. I'm going to make a point, and then I'm going to measure from this point down to the very bottom, and I'm going to do the same thing on this side.